The second truth about the real estate business is it's not always about the real estate. Hi there! Too many people have asked me, why is the real estate actually such a complicated business? Because too many people are going into the real estate and within a few months they get out of the real estate business. So today we're going to talk about the truth of the real estate business. Because let me tell you this, the truth is that real estate is not for everybody. So first, let's talk about part-timers. There are a lot of part-timers in the real estate. Now, I'm not telling you that you cannot work as a part-timer in the real estate, but I haven't seen that many people succeed as a part-timer, because as a part-timer, you just lack the time of really committing to the real estate industry. And part-timers, they have all these, either they have a second job or they have something else in their life that's going on, and they then can't really commit to the real estate. So why is it that they can't succeed? Well, first thing is, probably they don't really know what a real estate agent really does. What does a real estate agent actually do? Is it just, going on the street and just selling houses? Or is it talking with people and trying to help them sell their house? Well, I can tell you the truth that real estate is a lot more than just selling houses, because it goes all the way from marketing yourself, finding the right properties, doing the right research, doing the right marketing, all the way in making sure that the clients that you sell for have a great experience with you. And you need all the time during the day to be able to do that. So the truth number one is part-timers, if you want to try it, of course, but it's going to be very hard to succeed. The second truth about the real estate business is it's not always about the real estate. Yes, it's not always about the property, because real estate is a people business. It's about taking care of people, connecting with people, and making sure that the people you work with have trust in you. And if you are not 100% focused on those people, they will lose trust in you and they will go with another agent. So they need a full commitment for you if they want to pass the property to you, or if you want to find the property for them. So if you want to make sure that you want to succeed in business, it's all about the commitment to the people. And the more people you serve, the more busy that you would get. Because to make deals in real estate, you need to go through 4 stages. First, you need to attract the right clients. The second part is you need to connect with those clients. Number 3, you need to deliver to those right clients. And number 4, you need to repeat that client again with those same clients. So that's how you practice real estate. It needs your full commitment, and that commitment will make the real estate business succeed. So with that, the 2 truths of real estate. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.